Good morning, everybody. We're now taking a look at the Ftse chart. Now, if I look at the weekly Ftse chart, you can see that we've had 2 weeks where we've been quite strong after we double based down at these lower levels of 70.20. Now, we knew that was a big base. We knew that the market was going to struggle down there, and as you can see, the market made a perfect double bottom. Okay, so we've made this double bottom. Now what do? Well, the break point on this double bottom was 71.91. Now, if you just take that's 280 points. Now that gives me a target of 74.71. Now, that's fine, obviously, but we haven't quite got there yet. Now, 74.71 comes in with a 61.8% fib, coming in at 74.60. You've got this high over here that is coming in at 75.08. So you can see there is a lot of resistance up here, but there's also this measured target. What Ftse is doing at the moment, as you can see, what we saw last week, is like what we call a consolidation phase. Now, what consolidation phases are, or continuation patterns, they are just markets that have gone in one direction, hit a level and gone, whew, stop. Let's have a little break. And this is what Ftse's done. It's had its little break, or it's having its little break. You can see up here, the stochastics are off the extreme overbought levels, but they haven't really gone down that much considering this little consolidation phase. So what does that tell me? It does tell me that the market actually at the moment doesn't want to go lower. Now, we are above the 21 and the 9-day moving average, which is sitting quite comfortably down here, 71.89, 71.91. You've got this 72.26 area, which, as you can see, is the top of this consolidation here. Okay, this is where we made the top, came down, made the next base, up we've gone. So there's every reason why I think the Ftse is quite bid. If you look at the daily charts, you can see, wow, we're a bit overbought. But if you look at the weekly charts, the stochastics and all the technical indicators that I look at are all very much turning bearish, bullish. Let me show you. Now, obviously, we're going to ignore all my workings out on this chart, and we're going to ignore that for no other reason except that didn't happen. This is what we're interested in, this down here. Now, this is turning bullish, okay? And the weekly level, if you look at the weekly 55 period moving average here, you can see that that's down at 72.07. Now you've got the 21 week coming in here at 73.50. It held it. Okay, we didn't hold that line, but weekly we closed below it, and we were captured by, as I said, the 21 day week moving average. The 9 week is at 73.23 as we go into this week. So you can see, as I've squished it out for you, the market is in pretty good shape. So what we want to do this week, we're in a buy dip scenario on the Ftse. Obviously I'll do the US markets later, but for Ftse we're in a buy dip scenario, and there are reasons to buy down at lower levels. This trend line here is coming in, and today it's going to be at 72 31. The 55-day moving average is at 73.76 up here, intersecting with two little trend lines that I've got, with the outer one being 73.89. We break above here, we have got the measure target, this line here, and we've got 74.91 as a measured target off this base formation. So whatever way I look at this, it looks bid, okay? You've got the 9 and the 21-day average down here. Yeah. So first, the support will be at 72.26 to 72.22, but this is the bigger one, okay? If you look at this also, this 72.26, you can see it's the 38.2. Now, from when we made this high, we haven't got down here. So if today you see a bit of selling pressure, you are buying into weakness. If the market goes up today, it's following through from what Friday did, and then tomorrow, as we know, everything reverses. So bear these big levels in mind, because they are really going to help you for this coming week. Okay, good luck guys. I will catch you on the desk when you all wake up.